In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add another account to your Instagram app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. After that, if we tap right here at our username, it will show us all our other Instagram accounts. And then if we would like to add new one to that list, all we have to do is just stop where it says add account. On the next step, we need to choose whether we want to log in the existing account or create new one. If we tap at log in the existing account, all we have to do is just enter our phone number, username or email in that text field and password in the second. Then we can tap at log in and our secondary account will be added to that list, and from here we can easily switch to our another account. That's how it's done. Now you know how you can easily add another account on Instagram.